All right, let's talk about making salmon in an air fryer because if you're like me, you're tired of eating overcooked salmon that tastes like wood chips. Cooking it right isn't just an art, it's survival for your appetite. The beauty of the air fryer is its efficiency. Instead of waiting for your oven to hit 1,000,000 degrees and preheating for 20 minutes, the air fryer is ready in minutes. You're saving both time and energy, literally and figuratively. Start with a fresh salmon fillet. Wild caught is best if you can spring for it. Look for bright flesh without gray spots. That's the good stuff. No point starting with fish that looks like it's having an identity crisis. Pat the salmon dry. Do not skip this step. You want crispy edges, not steamed sadness. This is one of the biggest rookie mistakes people make when cooking salmon, or really any protein. Season it simply. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder can be enough, but if you're feeling bougie, add smoked paprika and a dash of dried dill. Trust me, the added layers of flavor will have you nodding like a chef on Food Network. Here's where the magic happens. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat might feel optional, but it's not. Starting with a hot surface ensures the salmon sears right away. Crispy skin? Locked in. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. The nonstick spray works too, but parchment makes cleanup stupidly easy. No one wants to scrub fish residue for 15 minutes after dinner. Life's too short. Place the salmon fillets skin side down in the basket. Do not overcrowd. You want air circulation, not fillets spooning each other. If you've got a small air fryer like me, cook in batches. Cook it for 7 to 9 minutes. Use that time wisely. Don't scroll Instagram. Flip once, halfway through, to get a slightly caramelized texture on both sides. The kitchen is now your personal cooking show. Invest in a meat thermometer for the love of Gordon Ramsay. You're aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal temp. Eyeballing doneness is a slippery slope to undercooked disaster or dry as driftwood regret. When it's done, hit it with a squeeze of fresh lemon. Don't overthink plating. This is air fryer salmon, not French cuisine. Pair it with rice or a simple salad. Dinner solved. Pro tip, make extra and refrigerate it. Cold salmon over bagged greens or avocado toast makes you feel like an adult who has their life in order. Spoiler, I never do, but it feels nice pretending. And that's it. Air fryer salmon is fast, foolproof, and somehow makes me feel like a genius in the kitchen. Let me know how it works for you. Or don't, but you'll be missing out.